So now all that's left is to plot this guy. So I'm going to start by plotting the center, which is at negative 3, 4. And then I'm going to count 5 units to the right, 5 units to the left, 5 units up, and 5 units down. And that's going to be the top, bottom, left, and right of my circle. Now I'm going to cheat and use a tool to graph my circle because you really don't want to see me try to draw a circle. But this is my circle centered at negative 3, 4 with radius 5. So we're done. So now that we know how to complete the square, let's talk about why you bothered to learn it in the first place. So we're asked to plot the circle given by the equation x squared plus 6x plus y squared minus 8y equals 0. And looking at the equation in this form, it's not clear what the center of the radius is, so it's non-trivial to plot this guy. But I can start by grouping my x terms together, so I have x squared plus 6x, and I'm going to leave a big gap. And then I'll write plus y squared minus 8y, and again I'll leave a gap, and I have this equals 0. So now I'm going to complete the square twice. I'm going to start with the x terms. I'm going to take this 6, and I'm going to divide it by 2 and square it. So that's going to give me 3 squared, which is 9, and then I'm also going to subtract the 9 because I'm only allowed to add 0. And then I'll do the same thing with this negative 8. Take negative 8 divided by 2, square it, that'll give me 16, and then I'm also going to subtract 16, right? And so now these first 3 terms are going to simplify or factor to x plus 3 squared, and then I have that minus 9 that we'll deal with in a second, plus these 3 terms are going to give me y minus 4 squared. And then I have that minus 16. And then what I'm left with is x plus 3 squared. I'm going to move the 9 over. And I'm also going to move that 16 over. So I have x plus 3, y minus 4 squared equals 9 plus 16. And that is x plus 3 squared plus y minus 4 squared equals 25. So now I know I have my center at negative 3, 4. Remember, it's the opposite. And my radius is not 25, but the square root of 25, which is 5.